everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can copy your link of your RedNote account. It is a very simple process. So first thing is to launch your RedNote app, and then after launching your RedNote app, you can see me icon on the navigation bar on the bottom right corner of your phone. Simply just tap on the me icon and your profile will be opened. Now, in order to copy the link of your profile, simply just tap on the share button that you see on the top right corner of your phone. And now this will pop up on your screen. You can see the option copy link. Simply just tap on the option copy link in order to copy the link of your profile. You can even share your QR by simply just tapping on my QR code. Now you can share your profile to your friends or your families. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in the next.